In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import your Acorns 1099 tax forms through the Investments and Savings section. To get started, open the tax import area and go to Investments and Savings. This is the section where you'll bring in forms related to brokerage accounts, dividends, and investment activity. If you have tax documents from a platform like Acorns, this is the right place to look. Take a moment to make sure you're in the correct category before moving on, since that helps keep your import organized and reduces the chance of selecting the wrong type of form. Once you're in Investments and Savings, use the search feature to look for Acorns. Typing the provider name directly is usually the fastest way to find the right financial institution, especially if there are many options listed. As you search, pay attention to the exact match that appears so you can select the correct provider. This is important because choosing the right source helps ensure your 1099-B and 1099-DIV information is imported from the correct account. After selecting Acorns, the next step is to authenticate so the system can securely access your tax documents. You'll be prompted to sign in using your account credentials through the secure connection provided on screen. For privacy and security, make sure you enter your information carefully and only into the official authentication window. If you use extra account protection, such as a verification code, keep an eye out for that as part of the sign-in process. Once authentication is complete, the system will begin importing your 1099-B and 1099-DIV forms. These forms typically include details related to investment sales, dividends, and other taxable activity connected to your Acorns account. Give the import a moment to finish and review the imported information once it appears. It's always a good idea to confirm that the forms shown match what you expect before continuing with the rest of your tax return. If the import doesn't work right away, double-check that you selected the correct provider and completed the sign-in process successfully. In many cases, simply retrying the connection can resolve temporary issues. That's it. By going to Investments and Savings, searching for Acorns, and authenticating your account, you can import your 1099-B and 1099-DIV forms quickly and securely